Today I am going to be showing you guys how to set up your paper in proper APA format. All right. So you guys did the hard job the week before spring break of finding all of your research, learning APA and text citations. You've done the hard part. Writing the paper is actually going to be the easy part. Okay. But I want you guys to see how a paper is supposed to be set up. So first of all, make sure that you are in Times New Roman, 12-point font. Okay. Your margin should already be set to 1 inch, so you shouldn't have to do anything with that. Go ahead and center it, okay? I'm going to go to spacing right here and make sure that it's on 2.0 or double, okay? The first thing you're going to do is set up your title page, okay? So I'm going to press enter probably about 7 times. All right, and then let me kind of show you what this is going to look like. So in the center of your document, that is where you are going to put your title. Okay, so this is the first page of your paper. You're going to put your title right here. Now, if your title, if you were writing about why abortion should be illegal, you can say abortion should be illegal. Okay, and that can be your title. Okay, probably capitalized should, leave the B lowercase. That's fine. Okay, perfect. If you are writing about why teaching isn't a fantastic career, you could say teaching is a great career. Okay, whatever you are arguing or discussing in your paper, that is what your title is going to be. Okay, but I'm just going to leave it as title. Then what you are going to do is you are going to put your name. Okay, now since I don't have a student to pick on in class, I'm just going to put my name there, but this is where your name is going to be. All right, so it's your first name, your middle initial, and then your last name. Okay, but again, this is where your name goes. All right, next you are going to put Gordon Lee High School. Okay, so basically with APA format, we're doing kind of a shortened version here, but bare minimum on your title page, you need to have your title, your name, and the institution where you are going to school. Okay, so that is how we're going to format your APA title page. Now, once you are done with that, go ahead and press Control, hold that down, and press Enter. Okay, that should get you to your next page. Okay, on your next page, you are going to be writing your abstract. All right, now what your abstract is essentially basically a brief preview of your argument. So here's what I'm going to say. You're going to tab this over and you're going to write 5 sentences that discuss what you will be writing about. Okay, so you're going to say something along the lines of there are many reasons why abortion should be illegal. First, go over your first reason in a sentence. Second, go over your second reason in a sentence. Third, go over your third reason in a sentence. Okay, and then you can write in conclusion and say one more thing about abortion and why it should be illegal. If you are doing a career paper, right, and you're saying why teaching is a fantastic career, I don't want you to mention specifics in here. Like I don't want you to be mentioning numbers and percentages, but you might say, give a little bit about the roles and responsibilities of your profession. Then you might talk about how they make a decent salary, or you might talk about the job outlook. You might talk about the training and education, right? Just general information, no specifics, because if you give specifics, you have to cite. But basically, you were just going to discuss what your paper is going to be about, all right? I'm going to say it needs to be 100 words or less, okay? I would say it needs to be at least 50 words, okay? Because you don't want it to be like so super short that you don't give enough of a preview, okay? So somewhere between 50 and 100 words, you're just giving generalized information about what your paper is going to be about. Okay, then once you're done with that, you'll hold down Control and press Enter again. And then the third page, that is where you're actually starting your paper, okay? Now, I want to show you guys how to insert your page number, okay? So if you are in Word, you are going to go to Insert. You are going to go to Page Number, top of page, okay? And go ahead and choose this one for now, and I'll tell you why. You are going to be putting your title in all caps up here. So again, you're going to be entering whatever that title is, and then you're going to press Tab twice, and tab will tab that page number over. Now, if you're feeling really like you want to be a perfectionist about this, you can make this also Times New Roman 12-point font. But basically, you should have your title, and it should be in all caps, okay? All caps title. And, then and that is left aligned, and then you're going to have your page number that's right aligned. And all I did to do that is I went to Insert, I went to the page number, okay? I went ahead and started with the top of the page and this one. And then once I got my title there, I just hit Tab, okay? And I hit it twice, and then that made this go over here to the right side, okay? That's the easiest way I know how to do it. Now, I know some of you guys are not using Word, okay? Some of you guys are going to be using a different, something different like Google Docs, or maybe you'll be using Microsoft Online. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that on those as well. So if I have a Word document, okay, I think you guys know how to do the Times New Roman 12-point font, center, all that good stuff. But let me show you how to do your header, okay? You go to Insert, you go to Page Number, okay? And I would actually go ahead and choose this one on the right side, okay? Then what I would do is I would press Enter to make it go down one, and then you'll insert your title right there, okay? Now it should automatically format for you your page numbers. You guys can see some of my cats in the background are joining us for this screencast. Yes, I have 6 cats at home. Okay, I also want to show you guys how to do this on Google Docs. So if you were on Google Docs, here's how you would, again, Times New Roman 12-point font, you guys know how to do all that. For the page number, you go to Insert, you go to Page Number, and you go to this one here. Then what you can do is you can backspace it out, put your title, okay, and then again, press Tab several times, and this time I've got to press it about 7 or 8 times, but just get it to go about to where that it's right aligned, okay? So again, all I did is I went to Insert, I went to Page Number, I picked the one up here in the top kind of left-hand corner, and then I went ahead and put the title, tabbed it over how I needed, backspaced it, and then pressed Tab. Again, what you're wanting is you're wanting your title to be left aligned, and you're wanting your page number to be right aligned. Okay? From there, of course, you would format your title page and your abstract. All right, hopefully this clears up how to do a title page and how to do an abstract in your paper. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I will be posting more videos about how to cite your references page and how I want the rest of the paper formatted, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me. I look forward to reading your papers.